niya, mga pinsan niya. So, Ate Pa was there. And then, ang dami photo cards. So, sabi ko, pag may ma-meet ako, nagtanongin ako, asan si Jaren? Asan si Jaren? Bigyan ko ng photo card. Or, ko pa nga na, sige, ipapabid ko yung photo card. Lagyan ko ng signature ni Jaren. Case ko. So if you have mga photo stickers or even like photo cards, kahit anyone na housemates, tapos nakita niyo ako or me, I want para ma-complete ko. Anyway, ang daldal, diba? But anyway, ano na ba to? Yeah, feeling ko mag-live pa ako ng 1 to 2 hours na solo and then gawa mo yung requirements. Yeah, feeling ko. Kasi this is my first solo live. Yung first legit ko na live kasama nun sina Dylan, Jolie. Hindi ata ako umabot ng 1 hour. Maganda ba Yes, Fiang is pretty in person. Everyone sa PBB house, we're all handsome and all beautiful and ano pa? They're all handsome, all beautiful, all kind-hearted. At the end of the day, we're all human beings. Hindi naman tayo perfect, even if nasama kami sa PBB. So I don't get it why you also keep on comparing women to each other or even men to each other. Like we're all different, but in so many, beautiful ways. So yun. Naka-live. Hindi ko ma-invite si feeling ko hindi rin maka-invite si JP. Hindi maka-invite. Sino yung nag-happy birthday? Hindi namin nakita yung housemates kagabi. Hindi ko alam kailan ako uuwi ng Dumaguete. Hindi ko pa alam. Wala pa akong definite plan yet. I wanna go home though. I really wanna go home to Dumaguete. I wanna go to the beach. But hopefully, yeah. I am gonna invite also some of the housemates. Baka willing also pag free. Okay. Magbisaya ako. Saan ba yung ganahan? Hela, nihilak ka. No, wala ko nihilak. Actually, guys, I feel like sobrang sakit na ng eyes ko. Because I heard hindi ako makatulog masyado. So, thanks Nurse Ellie. Thanks Chastity. So yun. And then my eyes kasi, before entering PBB, nasira yung eyeglasses ko. Okay. Yung eyeglasses ko, 2025 lang naman yung grade. But I have astigmatism. So hindi ko siya nadala sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. So, wala. And then, wala na. Feeling ko I have to get yes, nahanap na ni JP yung wallet niya. I don't know if I'm going to Buglasan. I would want to go back. Ganahan ko muli og Dumaguete. Good luck, Pax. Hindi ko nakita kung... Good luck. Thank you. Sorry, ang bilis. I love you. It's Mac. Hi, Bella Routes from Sikihor. Alam niyo, I talked about this sa mga housemates na I would want to bring them to Sikihor. Because like they want also to go to the beach. But sabi ko, Sikihor is a really perfect place because it's small and that you have everything that you need. At the Jazz, isang congrats ni Athena sa Intram. Sorry. Yun lang. Nakita ko, tumaas na siya. Shout out, Winner, magkikita ba lahat? Yes, magkikita. We're planning na mag-reunion lahat ng housemates after big night. So we're already slowly planning it. Pero wala pang date kasi nga hindi din namin sure what's gonna happen kasi naging busy na. Kahit mga housemates now. Good night, Clay. Thank you, Mary Joy Duro. Kula po kayo ni Kuya Binsoy. Saan ba yung message ko nga si Binsoy? Good night, Jasmine, question mark. Hi, Jezabel Passion. Yeah, yacht party. At Jas, kagala mo may eyebags ka na. Actually, kasi guys, hindi din kami, or sige ako na lang, pero majority talaga, we can't really sleep So yun, and siguro sanay kami na magkasama kami. Kasi din naman for me, 2 months and 2 weeks ako nasa bahay ni Kuya. So, nasanay ako na when I wake up, sila yung una ko nakita. Before I sleep, sila din. So yun, parang naging routine na namin siya. So, hanggat free, yun, umaalis kami. Wala naman kami masyadong ginagawa. Like, sometimes nagsama lang kami tapos nagpo-phone. Or like, ganun. Basta at least kasama lang kami. And then we talk about our plans na in the future. Yun, sige. Pansin namin, hala nga na mag-aaway sa imong uyab. Tisa ka na scroll up siya. Skincare reveal. Actually, as of the moment, naubos sa mga skincare ko, guys. Pero kasi I have PCOS, Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. Tama ba? Polycystic. Yeah, I think. Yun yung meaning. I have PCOS. So, I experienced acne also sa cheek area. And then, grabe yung pag-gain ko ng weight. So, nagpa-dermat din talaga ako. So I have like a medication, a topical acne medication na prescribed ng dermatologist ko. So yeah, I use it. It has benzoyl peroxide and adapalene. So I use it every night also. Pero naubos na siya now. Naubos siya actually last week ko sa PBB house. And then kasi na-feel ko na aalis ako. So sabi ko, okay, ito na, kasi naubos na yung skincare ko. But anyway, thank you so much sa lahat na nag-give ng gifts. Shout out 10 from Palawan. Hindi nyo paano ba i-invite? Try ko. Wait, mawawala ako if i-chat ko si JP tsaka si Binsoy. Gusto ko nga magkasama ka kasi dapat nagsama kami ni Binsoy kanina. Okay. Jessame Torla, hello. Crizel, hello. Hi, Crizel. Hi, Crizel. Hi, Jessame or Jessame Torla from Leyte. Crush ni Jaren si Liza Soberano. Baka ang bilis. Hi, Beth from Cebu. Hi, Kiki. Manifesting, thank you, prayers. Hi, Abby. Sige, teka lang. At nakalive din si Binsoy and si JP. Guys, hindi ko sila ma-invite kasi kailangan ko siya ma-lock na feature. So, paano? Hindi ko alam. Or like, ako ba dapat i-invite nila? Since feeling ko, lagi na silang nagla-live. So, happy birthday, Rihanna CJ. Ay, Rihanna_CJ. Hi, Melbert Espinas from Legazpi. Hi, Eunice. Okay, maayong gabi, Julia. Hi, Gihulgan City. Hello. Hello, Jessa Tamares. Hi, Sam. Hi, Senora Star. Senora Star. Oh my gosh. Si Rain and si Jaren, they both love stars so much. As in, like, si Rain, may star na necklace, na pendant, and may star din siya na earring. And then si Jaren din, gustong-gusto yung star. Wala lang, kasi Senora Star kaya. So, hi. Alam. Hi, Nabel. Hi, kay Katrina Muwak. Hi, Katrina Muwak. Hi, Princess. Hi, Empress. Gabi guys, ang bilis. Nawawala siya. Hi, Ali. Anong hair color ko? Actually, hindi ko alam. Espresso something. Yan, nindot kay sa Darwin. I actually, first house na mo sa Darwin. So, I grew up there kasi naami sige sa beach. Hi, Anne. I miss you. I love you. Hi, Not from Zamboanga. Paano ba maano si na JP? Ala. Hi, Dokya. Version 1, 2, 3. Hi, Chopper. And sana ma-meet din kita soon. Hi, Sunshine. Thank you for your love. Hi, Milky Way from Sultan Kudarat. Naka-live si Jolie. Kaya nga, nag-message actually si Jolie sa akin. if nagla-live ba ako. And then sabi ko, magla-live ako 10:30. And then sabi ko sa kanya, gusto mo sabay tayo? Feeling ko nag-start na rin siya. So, hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo yung message ko. Diba? Yun yung sabi ko, nagla-live kami sabay-sabay. Sumabay pa talaga ako. Sorry. Anyway, guys, ask questions about what you wanna know about me. Fave song at the moment. Ano bang fave song ko? I have been listening to... Wala lang, kikinig lang ako kay Jungkook. They're breaking news. I've been listening to breaking news a lot. Daniel Caesar. Like, nakikinig ako sa kanya since na-miss ko talaga yung songs niya. Okay, mahina. Antay sila na sagot. Kung ano pa yung pinakinggan ko. Yeah, I love Jungkook. Yeah, yung dinedicate song para ni Jaren sa akin is Get You by Daniel Caesar. So yeah, I know that. I saw that. Actually, pinanood ko yung interviews ng mga ex-housemates also sa lahat ng guestings. Because of course, we have to support. Book recommendation? Actually, mas romantic novels kasi ako. Pero psychological books are really helpful. And I think yung number one for me right now is the book that Jaren has. Yung 13 Things That Mentally Stable People Don't Do. Parang something like that. Basta orange yung cover. It's a really good read. Like, it's nice, it's easy to process, and it's really nice. I think psychological books are really nice. Sometimes, ako before, hindi ako nag-read ng psychological books before, pero it helps, and it makes you grow. What is my perfume? My perfume is from Lancome or Tiffany & Co. Basta I like mga scents na kind of mga cloudy, mga vanilla-ish, mga ganun lang na scent. Happy birthday, Jessa Morales. Balik og tambay, we don't know yet. Ang hirap. Nag-vote na ba kayo para sa mga for this Saturday? Mag-vote kayo, support tayo, guys. It's very hard, to be honest. Big 5 na lang. Bakit pa Big 4? Big 5 na lang. Lahat naman talaga deserving. Shout out sa Sultan Kudrat. Hi, Jelay. Hindi ko ma-add. Wala akong ma-add kasi hindi ko pa siya na-unlock na feature. Kasi second live ko pa to. So, big winner ko si Kai. Siyempre. I mean, yeah, Kai for me. Pero, anyone. Pero Kai. I hope Kai. My baby girl. Ikaw ang... Alam, hindi ako kumakanta. Good luck, Ellie, sa midterms mo. Sana nag-aral ka ngayon. Nakatingin ka sa akin. My favorite movie. Ang dami, actually. Pero Armageddon is one of my favorite movies. Favorite movies siya namin ng dad ko. Because it's a father-daughter story, but it's also saving the world. Like, what are you willing to do? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna choose yourself? Or you're gonna sacrifice your life for the world? Mga ganon. Armageddon for the world. Mga ganon. Armageddon for the world. Mga ganon. Armageddon. Are you gonna choose yourself or chismis? Do you have a pet here? No, now. Anong blush ko? Actually, my makeup is here. It's the NARS na Orgasm shade. Yeah. Pero, actually, may makeup ako na iwan sa bahay ni Kuya. So, I use Rare Beauty, yung compact na pink. Yeah, the Rare Beauty. It's there na iwan siya sa bahay ni Kuya. Ginagamit ng girls. And then, pati yung, eyelash mascara. Yung mascara ko and concealer. So, ang dami pa. Sorry. One frame. Oh, thank you. Fave food na nakain mo after PBB. Kare-kare. Happy birthday, Shang. Fave spot sa Dumaguete. What's my fave spot sa Dumaguete? Maybe Siliman? School? I'm always in school. Fave River Maya song. Hinuhuli niyo ako, guys. Shout out Blessy. If ever masters ka, where ako magplano mag-study. Actually, my uncle, my dad's brother, gusto niya na mag-study ako na masters abroad. So, I would want also to take it in Europe. So, hopefully, but if not, I can also take here. Ang dami namang dami namang good programs here. Also, sino celebrity crush ko? Sino celebrity crush ko? Kung Pinoy, Jericho Rosales. Pero, kung international, hindi ko malala. Sasabihin ko na lang kayo sa next live ko. Kung Yes, I'm going to Midnight. Subog Lawson, I'm not sure. I don't know if when I'm going home. Okay, drop more questions, guys, that you wanna know. What's my secret? Yung blooming. Blooming ba? Just always think positive. There's always light under a very dark tunnel. So, yun lang. See the goodness in everything. Life is tough naman talaga eh. Life is tough, and let's not just choose to dwell on the darkness. Para easier, lighter. Siguro yun. Bracelet reveal. This is actually from Jazz Official na. And then I just bought some charms. Nung binigay sa akin, it already came with this. So, for me, it's a representation of PBB House and, welcome home. But this is Kai. This reminds me of Kai, so I bought this so, wala lang, para nandyan si Kai. And then this is Rain, yung clover. Because naalala ko talaga si Rain sa clover. Because she loves clover leaves. And then, the heart is for Colette also. And then, Eeyore. It's a representation of mental health for me lang. And then the star. So the star is lahat ng PBB housemates kasi ang daming star. So this is, mainly it's Rain and Jaren also, but then ang daming stars. I think there are 20 stars. So it's a representation of all the PBB housemates. But I'm planning to buy more charms to represent each housemate talaga. So I'm still looking for the perfect for everyone. So far, inuna ko muna yung yun lang. Inuna ko muna sila. Hindi ko Okay, what do you wanna know about? Yes, nakapunta na ako sa Valencia. Actually, I live near Valencia before, sa Talay. Pampanga. We'll see kailan kami dala. Favorite color, pink. Pink, black. Yeah, favorite color ko, pink. And then black. Where do you get your dresses? Usually in Zara or Bershka. Yeah. My profession before entering PBB, I was an account manager. So I worked under advertising sales as an account manager for Mega Magazine. So yun yung job ko before. So I worked behind the cameras, ganun na scene. So I worked there for a year and 4 months before ako nag-enter ng PBB. This is from Pandora. So yeah, if you're wondering, it's all from Pandora. So guys, bibili pa ako ng more charms representing each housemate. Kalman muna. Kasi hindi naman cheap muna yung charms. So kung bibili ako ng 20 charms all in one. Tapos usually nagre-range siya from like 3,000 to like expensive. Ang mahal. Wow. Oh, my favorite Jungkook song is Never Let Go as of the moment. Concert I wanna watch. Actually, I wanna watch concert ni... I wanna watch Beanie concert, to be honest. I've seen them perform because under a company before is Billboard PH, and then yung they won an award, I think the Rising Women something. So I saw them perform and sobrang galing nila. So I wanna see like a full run of their concert. Hindi ko alam paano mag-share kami ng invite. Kasi hindi ako maka-invite. Bias ko sa Beanie. Si Mika. But bias ko si Aya. Pero nung nakita ko sila lahat, parang bias ko sila lahat. But then ang galing sumayaw ni Sheena. And then sobrang galing din ni Kula. Sila lahat, sila. No, hindi ko pa na-try yung tarot card reading. Hi, John Paul Cruz from Davao City. Anong tinapos ko na course is Foreign Affairs. So, International Studies. Nanonood ka ba ng K-drama? Yung napanood ko lang na K-drama is Crash Landing kasi curious lang ako anong mangyayari sa North Korea, South Korea. And then, nanood ako ng Queen of Tears. I was hooked. I love Queen of Tears. So, after Queen of Tears, ang dami ng K-drama na lumalabas sa FYP ko. And then, nakita ko si Cha Eun-woo. So, nanood ako ng True Beauty. So, yun. Crush ko pala si Cha Eun-woo. Ang hirap. Fave song ko sa Beanie, Carrera. As of the moment, Carrera. Pero sobrang ganda yung cherry on top. No, I've never been to Korea. Fave movie, na-mention ko yun, Armageddon kanina. So you should watch Armageddon. I love Fast and Furious. So the series also. And then, yun. Ano pa ba? Ang dami. Anything na hopeless romantic kasi ako. So anything na kilig-kilig, pinapanood ko. Yes. Yeah, I wanna go to Davao. To Hi Ray Jane. Hindi ko ma-invite si Jolie. Baka si Jolie pwede niya ako ma-invite. Sige, panoorin ko yung Gonjin Jam at Incantation. Shoutout Jessa. I love Prison Break. Alam niyo, may fun fact ako. My mom is here. Nung time na nanonood kami ng Prison Break, yung mom ko...
Twice.
Yeah, she watched it twice.
The whole
Yeah, the whole series.
The whole season.
Sobrang crush niya si Michael Scofield. Like, sobrang crush niya si Michael Scofield. But then, like, nag-anxiety ako habang nanonood ako kasi kinakabahan ako. Kasi grabe yung prison break, di ba? Kung makaalis na ba sila, kung save na ba yung kapatid niya, kung okay lang si Michael, ganun. So, around sa bahay, parang nagtatago ako. Tapos, Mom, teka lang, stop. OA. Pero OA naman talaga ako, so okay lang. So, gumaganon ako. Hindi ko ma-invite, guys, kasi kailangan ko pa daw ma-unlock yung... At anong nakalagay dito? Unlock multi-guest feature. So, kailangan ko pa go live for 30 minutes and go live on 3 separate days para ma-invite ko sila. Matutuloy ang Siargao pero hindi muna kasi tag-ulan. Sayang naman. Golden brown suits me. Wow, thank you. Ay, malditang marot. Bakit malditang marot yung pangalan mo? May work ka now? Wala. Shampoo na ginagamit ko is yung Palmolive. Sinagot pa rin eh. Favorite flower? I love tulips. I like tulips. Pero guys, thank you so much. Ang daming flowers na flower na po here. This is so beautiful. And meron pa here. Ang favorite song ko? Hindi ko alam. Depende siya sa mood ko. Talaga. My mom is here, guys. Say hi.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. Your low button.
Hi, everyone. Hindi ko sila ma-invite, guys. Sorry. Pag ma-end ko to, i-invite ko na lang sila. Ooh! Oh, thanks, Justy. Nag-share live ba si Mark and si Jolie? Sama na lang ako. Skincare reveal. Yun, may ano kasi ako, topical medication from my dermatologist. From Dumaguete pa yun. Na may benzoyl peroxide and adapalene. Na ginagamit ko siya every night. Pero naubos. Pero, simple lang. Like, dapat may cleanser ka lang and you have to read talaga what's best for your skin. So, like, yun. And then, cleanser. And then, niacinamide. Any brand naman siguro kung anong hiyang. Basta niacinamide. And then, if you have acne, dark spots, alpha-arbutin. Yun yung ginagamit ko. And then, hyaluronic acid, kailangan din. And then, moisturizer. And then, sunscreen. Yun. So, wala pa naman akong piling brand or anything. Hindi ko alam kailan ako uuwi ng Dumaguete.
Pa-shoutout daw.
Shoutout, sorry, ang bilis. Ang bilis.
Masig na.
Yeah, the doctor, actually, nung napacheck ako for my PCOS, nag-mention about pills, pero kasi, it was an unhealth, hindi siya masyadong ni-recommend. You should try, you know what you should try for PCOS, guys? I don't know if this works, but it worked kasi for one of my friend who has PCOS. Yung turmeric, the turmeric, what do you call that? Yeah, yung turmeric. And then ilagay siya sa hot, like boiling water. So parang maging turmeric water na siya. Yun na yung naging replacement niya as water. So you can start slow. Like siguro at night and morning, drink ka ng hot turmeric. Or like just water, maybe cold. Basta may turmeric. And every day, then parang I think after 8 months, nawala yung PCOS niya. So it's natural. Ganun. Pero hindi ako nag-pills kasi I'm also scared. But yeah. Ano ba? Just... Yan na ba voice mo? Oo, bakit? Feeling ko sa pagod din to, guys. Kaya, ganito yung ano ko. Yan yung laging sinasabi nila sa akin. Makeup reveal. Mag-aano na ako. Get ready with me live soon. Pero andito kasi makeup kit ko. Okay. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Ang dirty. Concealer ko, Naturactor. And may ginagamit ako na L na iniwan ko kinakay. And then my blush. And then, di ba may takip pa galing sa PBB House. But this is my bronzer from Bobbi Brown. And then, lip tints. May panghilay. Yun lang. And then my powder. But sometimes I use this. Wait. Kasi yung Rare Beauty ko na blush na nasa bahay ni Kuya. So, ito yung ginagamit ko now. It's nice. Also, killer ko, actually gusto ko pencil, pero yung what I have now, this is also nice. Ito yung ni-recommend sa akin ng ng dun sa Watsons. Perfume reveal, Lancome. Perfume reveal daw. And yung Tiffany. Pakuha natin sa mom ko. Yeah. Kailan ako, oh my gosh guys, alam mo nakakahiya yung vlog. Alam mo, before ako pumasok sa PBB, nakalimutan ko pala na may YouTube channel akong ginawa. And naalala ko siya, nasa loob na ako ng PBB House. Sabi ko, hindi ko na hindi ko na yung ma-take down. Kasi nakakahiya. But I did that. So I might go back. I'm doing vlogs sometime soon. Yeah, when I have like full energy for it. So ito yung perfume ko. It's from Lancome or this one from Tiffany & Co. Yeah. It's my favorite. Sobrang chill lang. Anong Rare Beauty blush? Yung pink na compact. Nakalimutan ko what's it called. Basta it's the cream one. Kasi I had the liquid one before. Pero mali yung nakuha ko. Kasi ayoko ng matte. Nabili ko matte. So hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Pero yung parang, basta pink siya na compact. It's their cream blush. In the shade Berry. Yeah. Uy, mag-review ka sa midterms mo. Thank you. Yes. Who's your fashion icon? As of the moment, it's Kelsey Merritt. Paglabas ko. And then I just look sa Pinterest board actually. Like, doon lang ako tumitingin ng mga And actually, the fiancé of my brother. She's such a fashion queen for me. So I love her so much. Bronte, if you can search her on Instagram. Spread love if you're gonna reach out or if you're gonna stalk her. Please don't say anything negative. Please, I beg, wag niyo nang isama yung family ko. Okay lang ako, wag lang family ko. But yeah, the fiancé of my older brother, Bronte King. I love her fashion. So, she's one of the people that I look up to. Heart Evangelista, pero hindi ko pa naman afford yung mga damitan niya, but she's one. Yeah, I have Kelsey Merritt. Kelsey Merritt, she's a queen. Yun so far. Thank you. Oh my gosh, nakakahiya yung vlogs ko. Anong shade? It's Orgasm na shade. Yeah. Ganito pala mag-live. Di ba nag-live selling kami sa Lazada yesterday? Maganda to guys. Yung highlighter. Hi, Janzel. Selena Gomez or Taylor Swift? Both. Why do I need to choose one if I can choose two? They're both empowered women. They both fight for great causes. They advocate for so many things. So, let's just uplift each other. Nandito pa nameplate ko sa makeup bag ko. Nakita ko yun sa vlog mo yung Rare Beauty na blush. Yes. Favorite ko talaga yun na blush. Gusto ko actually maka-work si Enrique Hill. Kasi si Donnie, they're working with Belle. So, pero somehow, someday, or kahit hindi as love team, like, gusto ko lang sila maka-work talaga to be part of their own movie. Okay. I'm really open to working to everyone and anyone. So, I don't mind.
Hindi just ko binisaya daw.
Magbisaya ako. Long-lasting ba yung Rare Beauty? For me kasi, I use cream blush. And then after cream blush, nilalagyan ko ng powder blush. Para mas dumikit siya. So, kaya, usually, if it's yun, yung Rare Beauty, and then nilalagyan ko siya ng powder blush. Hi, Marjo. Hi, Marjo. No, guys. Nung pumasok kami sa bahay ni Kuya yesterday, hindi namin nakita yung housemates. Hi, nawala. Hindi ko alam kailan ako uwi ng Dumaguete. Hi, Denzel. Santa Rosa, Laguna. Anong pabango ko? Pinakita na yun ng mom ko kanina. Yung Lancome or yung sa Tiffany & Co. Hindi ko sila ma-invite, guys. Kailangan ko pa kasi may ma-achieve. May ma-achieve in life. May ma-achieve or ma-unlock ko siya. So, pag mag-end ako dito and then sila naka-live pa, sama na ako. Tell us about your experience. Ano to? Hindi ko ma-open. Inside BBB house. Maganda. It's a full circle moment. My mom is listening to my live sa gilid ko. Go sa room because I can hear myself. And it's weird listening to myself. Good night. Good night. Good night or good luck. Anyway, my experience in BBB house, I would always say it was a full circle moment for me. Kasi diba, I also entered the house. Una ko nakita si JM. Last ko na housemate nakita si JM also. So parang nag full circle moment ako and all the experiences inside. Ang dami ko natutunan. I've met so many wonderful people. 19 wonderful people. Kasi ka-20. People, ang dami kong learnings. Made me a better individual din. So, naging mas mabuting ate ako. Mas dami ko natutunan. Grabe talaga. Masaya sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Sabi ko, I have sisters now. Kasi dati, kasi I have one older brother and younger brother din. So, wala akong babae na kapatid. May time na ina-ask ko na yung dati ayoko. Pero ng sister. Nung parang I was young, like 5 years old, 6, ayoko. Pero nung nag-grade 8, ay basta elementary na ako, mga grade 5, grade 4, gusto na ka may sister, wala na. So ngayon sa PBB house, ang dami ko ng sisters, kaya na-happy ako. It's music to my ears pag like Ate Jazz, I need help, or like Ate Jazz, especially yung mga, Ate Jazz, can I borrow your clothes? Ate Jazz, can you dress me up? Can you help me with my makeup? Can you help me with my hair? So sobrang, nakaka-happy because I feel like malalang, ang dami ko ng sisters. Diba, ang dami kong sinasabi. Good like ka dahil midterm exam niyo bukas. Bakit ka pa nanonood? Gabi na. Oh my gosh, favorite dancer. Madami. Pero, grabe, I would just say, as a Jungkook stan, grabe si Jungkook. He is my standard. He can sing, he can dance. He's sporty, he's so smart. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Yeah. So, sige, ask questions. What do you know? What do you want to know more about me? Words for haters? Wala. Let's just not... I don't give them my energy or my time. you know, somehow, I also have to understand where they're coming from. Bakit sila ganun? Pero I don't mind them. I don't, you know, like, sige lang. Sa kanila na yun. I just focus on all the love and the support and all the positivity that I have around me. And the support. Yun lang talaga. Yes, nanonood ako ng Drag Race. So, syempre, I have so many friends as part of the community. Roommates ko before, mga bestest of friends ko. So, yeah. Yun. I watch Drag Race. Childhood crush ko. Feeling ko lahat Zac Efron. Diba? Zac Efron. Pero nung high school ako, Daniel Padilla. Feeling ko lahat naman may Daniel Padilla face talaga. Tapos yung Wattpad face, na hindi na natutulog kasi nagwa-Wattpad na lang lagi. Yun. Yeah. Hi, Dong Pats or Starfishes. Sinong bias wrecker ko sa Bini? Si Aya. Bini ba yung tanong? Yeah, actually, mabilis mamaba hair ko. Bias wrecker ko sa BTS. Oh, actually, nahihirapan ako kasi feeling ko anyone can be my bias wrecker sa BTS. Kasi parang si Hobi, pero si Tae, ang gwapo din, pero si Jin, pero si Suga, as in, like, feeling ko nalilito na ako. Oo, nagre-read ako ng Jonak sa Kathiel sa Wattpad before. I love her. I love yung ano. Yes. Oh my gosh. So Silliman is my school, guys, in Dumaguete. And it's a famous cheese bread talaga there. And I've never tasted cheese bread that good. Like, promise. So pagpunta kayo ng Dumaguete, guys, punta kayo sa Silliman. And then, order kayo ng cheese bread. Happy birthday ni Risa. Wow, first ulit si Kai sa second task. Congrats. Fave Jonax story. Ano ba mga story ni Jonax nga? Pero alam ko yung may mga 100 days. Sa kanya ba yun? Ang dami ko kasing Kathiel na nabasa na yung sa Wattpad. So, hindi ko alam. As in, like, lahat lang binasa ko, Kathiel. I'm an extrovert. So, I'm a social butterfly. Sorry guys, ang bilis. Ang sakit na ng mata ko. May gala kayo today? Wala. Actually, yun yung problem ko sa Instagram. Hindi ako makakreate ng broadcast channel. Ang daming problema sa mga accounts ko. Hindi ako makagawa ng broadcast channel. Wala din yung option. I can't see. Actually, honestly, hindi pa ako matagal na stan sa BTS. I have to say that. Hindi talaga. And ironically, ang dami kong friends or even aunts na who loves BTS. Like, may time pa na halos every Christmas, nag-gift ako ng mga photo cards nila or mga pillows or mga shirts na BTS. Pero hindi pa ako naging fan. So, just this year lang talaga din ako naging fan and naging hooked ako na sobra. As in, like naririnig ko na yung songs nila before and I appreciate their songs. Hindi lang ako like super fan before. But, yeah. Hindi ko pa na-meet si Catherine Bernardo in person. As in, like, I would love to meet her. But I met Nadine Gustre. She's very sweet. She's very kind. Hindi ko alam kailan ako babalik. Anong course mo? Course, I took up Foreign Affairs. So, it's International Relations. I got my lashes done. Home service. Yung parang sa bahay lang. Here in Mandaluyong. Malalaman nyo siya. Magpapa-refill. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung niya eh. Yung name. Magpapa-refill ako and then I'll story. Good luck, Celine, sa exam mo. Asan ako? Nasa bahay. Nasa Metro Manila. Punta ka. Baglas, hindi ako sure. Hindi ako fan ng Blackpink. Actually, sa BTS lang talaga ako fan. Yeah. I mean, I don't hate others. Ano lang, hindi lang ako fan. Pero nakikinig din ako ng sometimes may mga songs nila. Pero hindi ako super fan. Or like, hindi lang. Like, you know, I appreciate them. Sino bias mo? Si Jungkook. Si Jungkook. Si Jungkook talaga bias ko. As in, Jungkook. Good luck, Mary, sa thesis. Mary? Hi, Sarah. Ano bang mga Jonax pa na series? Naka-high school pa kasi yun eh. Ang dami. Ay, thank you. Yeah, I-meet namin. Si Flower Love, that's Joyce. Yeah. We're gonna meet her soon. Abangan. Sa takdang panahon. Anyway guys, kain muna ako ng chocolate. May chocolate dito. Gusto niyo kumain. Kain kayo guys. So try natin. It's a mix of milk, chocolate, and dark. Yeah, si Jericho mag-discharge ng military. Or di ba na-discharge na? Next year si Jungkook, June. Hi, oh, thank you for watching from Qatar. Ano sa'yo ngalan sa chocolate? Ayun. Ito po yung chocolate. Ooh. And yung kinain ko, is dark raspberry and pomegranate truffle. Masarap. Masarap. Good luck, Mick Santiago. What's my hair color? Hindi ko maalala. Alam ko may espresso, brown, something. Tapos tinone siya nung... Before ako pumasok ng BBB, yun yung color ko. Espresso, brown, something. Basta sa L'Oreal yan. And then, nung lumabas ako, pinatone ko lang sa Benny Bana. So, sila yung may alam. Kasabot ko, Bisaya ko. Kabalo ko mo Bisaya? Oo, kay Bisaya ko. Yeah. Kinsa may napudpud na, nawa na. Kinsa siya? Napudpud. Asa naman to? Ay, nawala. Teka lang.
Wala. Ano mo again? Shout out to Jazz.
Sorry guys, ang bilis kasi. Hi Angel. Good night, matulog ka na. Favorite. Are you a Swiftie? I am a Swiftie. I love Taylor Swift. Aray ko. Na, dili ko mo kanta guys. Kabalo mo yun. Dili jud ko tigkanta. Murag lisod jud siya.
Shirley, magbuhan to napudpud na daw.
Shirley, napudpud na ba? Imuhang kuhan. Sorry kaayo. Dili na ko makita. Magunya, tabian pa jud kayo ko. So, pagkatabi na ko niya, kakaon pa ko. Di na ko kita. Hi, Cassandra. Happy birthday, Michelle Gonzalez. Michelle?
Tagalog.
Ay, Shirley. Ay, Shirley. Hindi ka pala Bisaya. Tagalog ka pala. Sorry. Hi, Shirley. Sana okay pala pa yung daliri mo. Hi, Pijang. Happy birthday, Jessa. Ay, next week na ba yung ano? Buglasan? Yes, I have books of Emily Henry, but hindi ko pa na-read. Ano bang mga book recommendations mo? Actually,
Wala po kayo sa
magpapano na lang ako, mag-ask ako sa Twitter, guys, like mga book recommendations niyo. Because now I have time to read also. So, I'll read books. Sample sila Jaren. Jaren is, I think, nasa screening pa. Pero to,
paper rin.
ah,
Mas may malaking impact sa yung journey.
hmm?
Mas may malaking impact sa yung journey.
Joke yun. Anong tawag sa maliit na tsunami? Ano?
Pag yung birthday
Tsunami.
niya na bukas, she waited that gem. She sweet.
Sino kasama mo? Guys, kasama ko nanay ko. My mom's here. Ay, ang gulo. Teka lang. But my mom's there.
Hindi.
Ah, Sunano!
Just pag-date na happy birthday ko na po mamaya. Wish mix. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss. Hala. Hala? What time ako nag-start ng live?
I don't know. I think 30 minutes ka na.
Oh, thank you, J13.
More than 30 minutes.
Mm.
This is 5 minutes. Oh, pa-shoutout from Maldives.
Wow, from Maldives. I wanna go to Maldives.
Uh,
I love beaches, guys. As in, like, sobrang... I love the beach. I love the ocean.
Shoutout from Palawan, Arno.
Palawan. I wanna go back to Palawan.
From Quezon, Joanne. Jane,
Shout out,
Ana.
Julie. Ang bilis, guys. Sorry. Hindi ko makita.
Ulit Duma.
Hindi ko alam kailan ako uuwi ng Dumaguete. Pero malalaman niyo sa takdang panahon kung kailan ako uuwi. Hi, Naomi.
Just pansinin mo na po ako. Hi, Shane.
Hi, Shane. Nag-gym ka po ba? Wala pa. Mag-gym. Makain ako chocolate ngayon.
Hi, Buat 23.
That's my favorite food. I love pastries.
And chocolates.
And chocolate. But I love pastries. Kumiyon naman. I love sinigang. I love sushi. As in, I love sushi. Japanese food talaga. And then Mexican din na mga cuisines. Gusto ko. So yun yung yung first week nung hindi pa ako pumasok as house challenger. Kumain ako ng sushi. Kumain ako ng mga birria tacos, mga quesadilla also. Yeah, pupunta akong Palawan soon. Hi, Cassandra from Rizal. Matulog ka na. Good night sa iyo. Athena, good luck. Kasi malapit mo na makita yung grades mo. Moreno or Mistizo? Moreno. Pero, depende na. Pero Moreno. Wow, hello po from New Zealand. Eri, matulog ka na. May exam ka pala bukas. Yeah, but I'd like to say thank you to everyone who supported me, who fought for me, who is sharing the love that they have for me. So sobrang, you are one of the reasons also why I am happier now. And that I feel so blessed that I have you guys. And may mga nare-read din ako na very sweet messages. I love reading your letters. Like honestly, ang dami kong mga screenshots of letters. Sometimes hindi ko lang siya ma-reply because I'm still overwhelmed from everything. Pero I have it. Especially yung mga nagtatag sa akin sa Twitter or sa X. Yeah, ang dami. Yung sa yung mga letters na ginawa niyo. Like parang pinapost niyo sa Twitter. Basta when you write down your letter or even when you just type it sa notes and then you put it sa Twitter, sinisave ko siya. Because it's a great reminder for me na pag nakita ko, you guys are so sweet. Thank you so much. So, grabe. Ang galing niyo. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Ate Jazz! Yeah, I missed hearing that really from Kai. Pero lagi ko siya naririnig kasi diba, lagi kami kasama ni Binsoy and ni Jaren. Lagi nilang sinasabi yan, oh my gosh, Ate Jazz! Tapos, yeah, so cute. Hi, Lyndon Kahoy. Hi, Jen from Masbate. Hi, XX Jella from Digos Davao del Sur. Hi, Pinky Eb. Hi, Delightful. Ooh, I love you, girly pop. Shout out from Holy Land. Aray ko. Oh, Andrea Fernando, you're from Negros Occidental. Good luck sa defense mo sa Friday. Kaya mo yan, for sure. Sorry, ang bilis guys. Happy birthday, Irish Jane Jamero. Happy birthday! Birthday mo bukas. Invited pa ako. Hey. I hope you'll enjoy your day. No, hindi ko pa I didn't watch pa the episodes of PBB. I saw some clips. But hindi pa ako napanood. Ano masasabi ko sa LDR? Iba-iba din naman yan eh. Whatever makes you sleep at night, whatever makes your boat float. Yeah. Di ko alam. Kasi it depends also on your love language. If swak ba, if kaya ba. Depende kasi sa tao. May iba na hindi kaya, may iba na kaya. So, yun lang. You really have to talk about it. Pa-shoutdown po.
Kapag pansinin ako ni Ate Jazz, mag-review na ako for me.
Sino yan?
Nawala, ang bilis.
Sino yung kailangan mag-review? May hi, Mary Kim. Silamanan ka pala. Ang bilis. Sino yung fake news po siya? Hindi po umuwi si Jaren ng London. There was news circulating na he's going back to London. So he's not. It wasn't his account also na ginamit. So Jaren only has one account. Sakit ang likod ko. Ooh, what's
A?
my love
Good
language?
luck daw si A sa exam niya.
Good luck.
Interview.
Hi, Papag. Yes, guwapa tanan na housemates. Hi, Nestle. Ooh, Nestle. I think I read your name kanina also sa live. What a wonderful name. Resevi. Review ka na. ZZ1 na. Mag-review ka na. Hi, XO girl. I love you. Hi, Katie Coffee. No, I don't read now. May Wattpad pa ba stories ngayon? Wala na akong Wattpad kasi. Hi, Rox. Good night. Sino yun natin na good night? Bagay sa akin short hair. Ayaw ng mom ko. That's a fun fact, guys. Ayaw ng mom ko na short yung hair ko. Kasi may time na nagpakat ako ng hair ko na short. Nagalit yung mom ko. I didn't even tell her. Ooh. Mommy.
No.
Rinig niyo yun? No. She doesn't like. As in, like, she only wants me to have long hair. Happy birthday, Divine Grace. Hope enjoy mo yung birthday mo.
Jaren.
No, it's Jerain. Jerane. Jeriane. Sa tingin mo ba, carry ba with honors ako this quarter? Kayang-kaya mo yan. Pero don't pressure yourself too much. You know what? Achieving Latin honors, achieving all those that, it's an additional na. Pero even just passing it and learning from the lessons na tinuturo sa'yo, okay na yun.
Hi, Family Ginga daw natin.
Hi, Family Ginga. Dancer or singer? Siyempre gusto ko din dancer. Kasi sumasayaw ako. So gusto ko sumayaw din kami together. Pero iba din pag singer. Kasi ang ganda ng boses. Hindi kasi maganda boses ko eh. So at least makikinig nila ako sa maganda niyang boses. Bawal ba both? Si Jungkook kasi both. So kaya naman ni Jungkook. Antayin ko kasi si Jungkook guys next year.
Laro naman ng volleyball tomorrow.
Oh, good luck sa volleyball tomorrow.
Isa sila.
Yes, possible na mag-reunion kami after Big Night. Ay, sorry, may nag-chat. Yeah, possible na mag-reunion talaga kami after Big Night. We're already planning that. We're just hoping na may day na mag-align talaga lahat ng schedule. Kasi goal namin, complete kami 20 for the reunion. Wow, congrats Rox with Aniska. Mocha latte. Napansin na kita ngayon. Kailangan mo nang mag-review. Kailangan may evidence na nag-review kayo. Kailangan niyo ako i-tag pag nag-review kayo. Good night, Angelica. God bless. Ingat. Guys, I will end the live in a bit. Because 11:30 na rin. Ang dami ng kailangan din mag-review. Matulog, mapahinga. Tomorrow is another day that the Lord has made. Will make for you. So, mag-ano na lang. This is my, this is now my official account. Meron akong own account ko, but yung naka-private, yun yung TikTok ko talaga before entering PBB. I still have access towards it. Per private account lang siya yun. Nandun din yung mga videos ko before. So, hindi ko na lang yun siya gagamitin. I'll focus on this one na lang din. Kasi this account was made by my friends din. Nung pumasok ako sa BNK. Oh, BNK, naka-BNK sa PBB. So, ito na yung official ko. Ito na yung gagamitin ko. So, yung iba, hindi na. This is it. Ito na. Chelsea, mag-review ka na. Parang awa mo na. What pushed me to study foreign affairs? Oh, actually, because I like studying international law. So, I'm very interested about it. So, parang I loved studying Philippine law. Kasi sa senior high, I took up humanities, Humes. And then, we had a subject na Philippine law. So, it was very interesting. Pero parang mas gusto ko mas malawak. Pero yeah. So, parang ang ganda. Gusto ko mag-foreign affairs because I wanna know more about Western side, the problems sa Asian countries, what can we do. And then yun, naging goal yung maging diplomat someday or ambassador in the Philippines someday. That's also a goal. So, it's fun. I loved my course so much. Foreign affairs is really a good study. Tinanong nga ako do you think sayang na nag-take ka ng foreign affairs? Pero ngayon, you're like using a different, or like you're in a different path. Like ako, nag-PBB, I worked sa advertising before, and then now nag-PBB ako, and then may iba akong path ngayon. So parang sabi ko, it's not sayang because now I understand the world more in another perspective or in a greater perspective. So everyday naman may nangyayari sa world, diba? So at least naintindihan ko where people are coming from. Economics, the economy-wise, alam ko paano, yung mga ganun. So, yun, it's very interesting. So I hope everyone also takes time to watch the news para malaman nyo kung anong nangyayari na sa world. But yun lang. Diba, ang dami kong sinasabi. Isa lang yung question. Shout out, Jolie. Same kayo ng name ni Jolie. Shout out, Agnes Icon Bakwak. Happy birthday, Juliana Liosa. Happy birthday. Ang dami ng birthday ng October. Hi, Kia Gonzalez. Hi, Kin Lagrada. Yes, I'm a Capricorn. Yes, I'm a Capricorn. My birthday is December 24. Favorite OPM song ko, Before It Sinks In Me, Moira. Carrera Bini. Kay Adi na You'll Be Safe Here. Yung version niya na You'll Be Safe Here. may hinuhuli kayo sa akin. Hi, paano ko kayo shoutout? Hindi ko kasi ma-read yung name niyo eh. Yeah, magkasunod kami ng birthday ni Colette. So, I'm 24.